Good morning all of you. In last days we were discussing about tangents and normals of a curve, and if y is given the curve and you know how to find the equation of tangent line and how to find the equation of normal line, and for that we can find the first derivative to get the slope of the tangent at any point. So, for y is a curve and dy by dx is the slope of the tangent at any point of the curve, isn't it? Here one question is given, find the equation of the tangent line to the curve y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. We need to find the equation of a tangent line, and that tangent, whose tangent we need to find? This curve's tangent we need to find. And that tangent is parallel to 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0 is given. Okay. So, we have one curve. See, like this one curve we have. We need to find the tangent at any point on the curve. And see this tangent line, its equation we need to find. And we know its slope is dy by dx, slope of this tangent. And which tangent's equation we need to find? This tangent is parallel to another one line. So, one line is here 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. We have one straight line that the required tangent is given, it is parallel to this straight line. And we need to find the equation of this tangent. Okay. So, for finding equation of a straight line, we have the result y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, and x1 y1 is in point at where we are drawing this tangent, and m is the slope of the straight line. Okay. So, that means x1 y1 is any point on the straight line. So, here it is not given at which point this tangent we need to draw. For that, to find this point, it is given these slopes. See, they are parallel lines. Parallel lines means what? Their slopes are equal. So, we see here one curve. Its dy by dx is the slope of this straight line. And what is slope of this straight line? Straight line's equation is given. You can find the slope of the straight line, isn't it? Then we are equating their slopes. We will get the point. At which point these are parallel. Okay. So, first the curve is given y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. What is dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 2, differentiating this one with respect to x, 2x minus 2. This is slope of the tangent, slope of tangent is 2x minus 2. Okay. And this tangent is parallel to one line. Which line? 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. So, y equal to 2x plus 9. See, y equal to mx plus c form. So, m is the slope. So, here slope of the straight line is equal to 2. Y equal to mx plus c. C is the y-intercept and 2 is the slope. Okay. So, slope equal to 2. Here slope of tangent is 2x minus 2, given these two lines are parallel. So, we can write 2x minus 2 is equal to 2. Parallel means their slopes are equal. So, 2x minus 2 equal to 2. So, 2x is equal to 4, x equal to 2. So, this point we are getting it as x equal to 2. If x equal to 2, what is the y value? 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 7. So, 4 minus 4 plus 7, we are getting it as 7. So, 2, 7 is the point at where the required tangent. Okay. So, we can find the required tangent, therefore, equation of the tangent, where that tangent is parallel to 2x minus y equal to y plus 9 equal to 0. So, the required tangent is tangent is equal to y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here, what is the slope? Slope is 2 and the point is 2, 7. So, we are getting y minus 7 is equal to 2 into x minus 2. So, y equal to 2x minus 4 plus 7. 2x minus 4 plus 7. So, we are getting it as 2x plus 3. So, y equal to 2x plus 3 is the tangent of the curve at where that tangent is parallel to this straight line. I think you got the ideas. Okay. And the same question is asked that tangent line we need to find. That tangent is perpendicular to this straight line. So, those tangent, there will be infinite tangents for this curve. So, one required tangent we need. Which tangent we need? Where that tangent is perpendicular to this straight line. Okay. So, that tangent equation we need. Same way we will do. Here it is, here the required tangent and the given straight line are perpendicular lines. So, how can we connect the slope? Tangent's slope is equal to minus 1 by m of this tangent. Isn't it? Two tangents are perpendicular means one's slope is equal to the other one's slope. That means if m1 is one slope, m2 is another slope, then if they are perpendicular means what we can write? m1 is equal to minus 1 by m2. Okay? Clear? Then we can find the slope of this one. We already found dy by dx. dy by dx we got it as 2x minus 2. What is the slope of this straight line? 5y equal to 15x plus 13. I took 15x to right side and y is equal to by 5. So, it is getting 3x plus 13 by 5. So, what is the slope? Slope is 3. So, what will be the slope of this one? Tangent's slope, slope of tangent. Since 3 is the slope of the perpendicular line. So, slope of tangent is equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay. So, minus 1 by 3 is the slope of the perpendicular line. This is slope of 3, its perpendicular line is tangent. So, it is minus 1 by 3. Then what we can do? 2x minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 3. So, 2x is equal to minus 1 by 3 plus 2. So, 2x is equal to plus 5 by 2, y by 3. See, minus 1 plus 6 by 3. So, 5 by 3. So, x is equal to 5 by 6. Okay. When x equal to 5 by 6, what is y value? We can find the value y. Y is equal to 5 by 6 whole square minus 2 into 5 by 6 plus 7. This is 25 by 36 minus 10 by 6 plus 7. And you can do that calculation, you will get it is equal to 217 by 36. So, at x equal to 5 by 6 and y equal to 217 by 36. So, the required tangent is equal to required tangent is equal to y minus y1, that is 217 by 36 equal to m is minus 1 by 3 into x minus what is point x equal to 5 by 6. So, this is the required equation. You can remove the bracket and you can take minus 217 by 36 to right. Find the points on the curve y equal to x cube at which the slope of the tangent is equal to y coordinate of the point. So, here we need to find the tangent's equation. So, for finding tangent, see tangent is a straight line, tangent's equation finding means you are finding a straight line's equation. So always in your mind it should come one point and a slope, because here easy to get that result. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 is the equation of a straight line if you know the point x1, y1 and slope. So for finding the slope we have the curve given y equal to x cube. So what is the slope of this curve? When y equal to x cube, slope is dy by dx, slope of the tangent, that is dy by dx, that is equal to 3x square. So we got the slope of the tangent, we do not know which point it is. You are giving x equal to any value, you will get the slope of the tangent at those points. Okay, and each point you can draw the slopes. There, sorry, you can draw the tangents. Their slopes you will get from this equation, 3x square. Slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. See, this is dy by dx at xy. So what is the y coordinate of xy? Y equal to x cube is given. So at x comma y, the coordinate is y equal to x cube. That means x comma x cube is the x comma y is x cube. So at x comma y, the point is x comma x cube. If x is 1, 1 is the point. If x is 2, 2, 8 is the point. Like this it will come. Okay. So here it is given the slope of the tangent, that means dy by dx at any point is equal to y coordinate of the point. What is the y coordinate of this point xy? Y x cube. Y coordinate is x cube. So given 3x square is equal to x cube, this is given information. Slope is given, slope of the tangent is given, y coordinate of the point, y coordinate of the point. So we can write 3x square minus equal to x cube, take this to here. So you can write over to that side, x cube minus 3x square is equal to 0, x square constant, common factor. So you are getting x square into x minus 3 equal to 0. From here you are getting x equal to 0 or x equal to 3. So we got 2 points, x equal to 0 and x equal to 3 gives which condition? Slope is equal to y coordinate. Okay. So when slope equal to y coordinate we are getting 2 points. So here at x equal to 0, what is y? Y is equal to 0 cube, that is equal to 0. So one point we got it as 0, 0. At this point slope of the tangent is same as, not same, equal to same as y coordinate of the point. Okay, slope of the tangent is equal to y coordinate of the point at 0, 0. And we have one more point at x equal, when x equal to 3. When x equal to 3, what is y coordinate? Y is equal to 3 cube, 27. So at 3 comma 27. So one point we got it as 0, 0, another point we got it as 3, so 27. So at these 2 points, what is happening? At these 2 points we are getting slope of the tangent and y coordinate are same. Check it. What is the slope? Dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to, we got it as 3x square. So at 0, its y coordinate is 0. When x equal to 0, y coordinate is 0. What is dy by dx when x equal to 0? 3 into 0 square 0. So dy by dx and y coordinate is same. Then at x equal to 3, y coordinate is 27. What is dy by dx? 3 into 3 square. So we are getting it as 27. Okay. So I hope you understood. So when you are getting a question, you have to read that question and understand what is given. Then result will be very fast, you will get. Understand what is given first. Okay, and what you need to calculate. Then you will be able to solve it. Okay, so that much only I am discussing today. Balance we can do. Many problems are there in that exercise. I hope you started doing it. The balance question we can discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you.